Alright, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special review video courtesy of Yardcare. This is their robotic smart lawnmower with AI technology. This is the V100 series. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Perfect time for Prime big deal days are here. So we're going to take a look at what this thing does. Pretty sweet. I tested it out yesterday in the backyard for a little bit. Pretty good battery life, maybe an hour or two from fully charged state, which is those lithium batteries right there. It's already fully charged from last night, so we are good to go. It's about to rain, so I'm going to do this really quick. Right there is the rain sensors. The switch, you can change it from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All you got to do is turn it like that. I'm going to get a 2-inch. There we go. Here's the emergency stop button, or the stop button when you're done cutting grass. All you got to do is press that and pick it up and go. And now here are the features right there. These are the main ones you're going to need to worry about. This is a straight mowing mode. And then there's spiral mowing. All you gotta do is press the button right there. So I'm gonna do spiral. You put the battery in, press start, and then hit the spiral. Then hit OK. Then it'll be good to go. It's easy to clean. All you gotta do is take a hose to it. I'll show you the bottom. It shouldn't be that bad after one cut. See? All you gotta do is, spray it down. You'll be good to go. All-terrain tires. This thing does it all. Super quiet. As you can see in the next video coming up. Stay tuned. Hold up. Here we go. And here we go. So you want to turn it on. Right here. And it hit. Give it a second to juice up. You'll be good. It's raining now, so. There we go. We are in spiral mode. Everything's good. Battery's fully charged. Hit OK. And let's see what it does to the front. It'll take a second. Alright guys, we are moving now. There we go. I'll pause you guys. Now, I'm not sure if this is a good sized lawn for it, but it's for smaller lawns. So this is not too bad. It's going. And now it's going in its own. So like I said, this has no boundaries. You can set it up easily. All you gotta do is put the battery in and go. So now we are cutting right there. But it is super quiet, so can't really tell. And it's going. Great for nighttime cutting. Might not rain after all. I don't think so. I'm just curious to see if it's going to recognize my neighbor's lawn. Hopefully it does. Okay, maybe not. Oh shoot.